Okay, I'm going into my Canvas class. This is an empty shell. It's a copy of a class that I have. It has no students in it. And I signed myself in as a student as well as the teacher. So I'm going to hope that it will do it. Okay. It's telling me what to do. Canvas is redirecting to a login page. Open your browser, navigate to your course. I'll guide you through exporting your course. Your session cookie so I can access Canvas as you. Okay, if you prefer, you can tell me course name and instructor, list of assignments, syllabus. I can start organizing the work immediately. So go ahead and log into Canvas. Okay, so I'm in Canvas. I'm going to do this as a student. Okay. All right. So I'm logged into Canvas. I can access Canvas as you. Let me check and let's see if I can use the Chrome extension relay. This lets me control your existing Chrome tabs. I see the Chrome relay is running, but it shows 0 tabs. You need to attach a Canvas tab to the OpenClaw browser relay. Look, so it looks like it's working on OpenClaw. Look for the OpenClaw browser relay extension icon in your Chrome toolbar.